One of the inevitable issues with the Mark IV Golf over time is that the trim around the door handles can get quite badly chipped and wear out. I've shown a previous video of how to replace these by going to VW and buying new parts. This one I'm just going to show you a quite cheap and easy way to be able to resolve this. So first stage, you need to remove it from the car. Have a look at the previous video for that. You then need to use some wire wool to rub the surface to remove the existing plastic coating. Once that's done, we can respray it with a new plastic coat. I'll show you that next. So the product I'm using is called Rust-Oleum Peelable, and it's a rubberized coating which is probably very similar to the coating that VW use when they originally do the interior. So by rubbing down initially with some wire wool, what I've then done is recoated one of the door handles, and with 3 coats or potentially 4 coats, it actually comes up pretty much good as new, exactly as it would have been in the factory. So I'm really impressed with the way that's worked. Fairly cheap to do. All you've got is a can of the rattle can of the Rust-Oleum, the peelable. Put that on, spray it in a suitable place that's well ventilated so you're not getting the fumes, and it's really good way to bring the door handles looking good as new.